The difference between a health spending account and a traditional insurance plan is really how the plans operate and how money moves from the employer to the employee. In both cases, it's tax-free dollars moving out from the employer to the employee. The advantage of the health spending account is money isn't going to move until the employee actually needs it. So if you think about it, the employee is going to go and they're going to pay that health or dental bill for themselves, spouse, kids, and they need the money right then. And where do they need the money? It's going to be different for everybody. So it treats employees as individuals. It speaks right to what they need and when they need it at the time they need it. If they don't have a claim, there is no cost. That's a huge advantage on the health spending account side. The employer knows, I'm going to give you all the money as my employee. I'm not going to give it away in a premium. I can't control that. As soon as I've given it away in a premium, it's gone. It's an expense. And I know that it might not all come back down to you because there's co-payments and non-covered items. In a health spending account, it's all eligible. All of those health and dental bills you're going to go and do for your family that you need to do and you choose to do are going to be eligible for you to claim. For the employee, flexibility, when, where, and how they need it at the time they need it, and they get all of the money that the employer earmarked for the employees. That's the way benefits were designed. The premium plan, on the other hand, has money flow out the door with a schedule of benefits. So I have to fit into this template as an employee. I don't want to fit into a template. I want to build my own template. I want that plan to look the way I want it to look. I want it to flow to the employees. And I want the whole dollar to go to the employees. If I'm not going to get the whole dollar, then why would I set up a plan? So I've set this plan. I've put the budget in place. I let the employees decide when, where, how to spend it. They're in the best position to do that. I've set that limit. They can only spend up to what we can afford to provide, and we want it all to go to them. The premium plan, again, I'm going to expense that money every month. It's gone. It's irretrievable for me and potentially for the employee who had to go and buy a $500 pair of glasses. And the plan either didn't cover any vision or maybe it covered $100 of that. But the point is, that employee's priority is vision. We want them to have those dollars available for that vision, and we don't want to have a premium paid, expensed it, and didn't have money trickle down to the employee.